Today we'll be honoring the best travel agents working with us who have gone above and beyond what it means to do business, especially in the post-COVID times. And this award is going to Nick Nami Travels.
I have come across TravPlan, which is excellent, and whatever feedback I'm giving them, it's helping me as well as other agents as well. Things what you're giving us for the brochures, you can make your own brochures and you can edit your brochures and send it to your client with your own markups. That's very great. And
our first top travel agent is Ethics Holidays.
We got in touch with TravPlan, and then TravPlan had supported us with fantastic deals. The entire system was absolutely wonderful. The website that you have been designing, all the themes and all those absolutely beautiful. We believed in ourselves, we believed in our customers, and we believed in, most importantly, in our team.
So the next award for the Rising Star goes to Travel Pink.
To us. So we just had a word of mouth to our friends and then past travelers, and then they spread the word around to everyone. We filled the gap, right? So yeah, these things helped us a lot.
The next award for Rising Star goes to Travel.
TravPlan gives us an opportunity to do any state or anything, anywhere very easily. So that gives me a very good chance for getting more business.
And we have Mr. RevMate for that.
डिजिटल मार्केटिंग पढ़ा क्योंकि आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम आईटी पर्सन. मैं खुद डिजिटल मार्केटिंग पढ़ा कि किस तरह होता है, किस तरह चीज प्रमोट की जाती है और हाउ टू रीच मैक्सिमम ऑफ द कस्टमर. बैठे बैठे सिर्फ एक ही काम करता था, प्रमोट करो. नाउ वी हैव बीन टाइड अप विद अराउंड अबाउट, इफ आई से मोर देन 40,000 फ्लैट. आप मेरे पास एक ऑप्शन अच्छा है कि भाई मैं ट्रैवल का खोलूंगा, मेरे को रेडीमेड चीजें मिल जाती है, भाई आप ये चीज देख सकते हैं. हमको ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करना है. जब तक हमने ट्रस्ट बिल्ड नहीं करेंगे तो हमारा business नहीं बढ़ेगा. तो हमने
The next top travel agent for Marketing Guru category is Travel Freaks.
Your COVID guidelines section and the news section is like a clincher for me, and the virtual videos that you have, so that has helped me in increasing my revenue a lot. And I hope in future also you keep doing the good work, and we are associated for a long time, I guess.
And for that, our first top travel agent is Asia Holidays.
Actually receiving this in this corona time बहुत ही अलग है. Response is too good when we spoke to the agents, to the guests, so they are traveling. And
our next winner in the star performer category is Travelathon.
Basically revenge tourism now. Everybody wants to head out. We do have a lot of inquiries of people asking us where they want to go next because they just want to head out. It's the same strategy, just sending people offers to do with Maldives and trying to like bring in their awareness as to how much cheaper it would be if they would actually travel now.
This event and the wise words from our top travel agents re-emphasize my belief that travel indeed is reviving, and it's just before time that we actually see the bubble bursting.
Sort of echo with your thoughts, Rakshit, and what everyone has said, that things are moving in the positive side. A lot of the destinations are opening up. Most of the destinations in domestic have actually opened up and restrictions have eased. So hopefully New Year is going to be a good period for us when all of us can see good bookings reviving in the top markets. Till then, let us stay strong and let us keep on reaching out to more and more travelers, more and more travel agents. So good luck to everyone. And let's stay strong, let's stay positive.
Once again, congratulations to all our winners. And the viewers who are watching us today on YouTube or our TravPlan app or website, you can be our next top travel agent. Connect with us now.